Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get community top voice match on LinkedIn. So if you guys would like to go ahead and have the community top voice match over onto the LinkedIn application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have this. So that's going to be pretty easy. So what we need to actually do in order for us to have this top voice match is to be active on the LinkedIn application. So if you are an avid user of LinkedIn, you basically have an advantage on other users. So if you are not yet an active user of LinkedIn, I would suggest you guys to go ahead and use the application already, finish up your profile and upload your resume and stuff like that. Basically just complete your profile on LinkedIn. Once you are done with this, you can now go ahead and basically contribute to those collaborative articles. So from here you do need to go ahead and basically log into your account, and when you are done with that, now you can go ahead and contribute to those collaborative articles. Now collaborative articles are basically generated with AI, and you can all go ahead and also look for this. If you would like to have the top match or the top voice match, you can also go ahead and collaborate and comment or like or repost as well the specific post that you see on the LinkedIn application. That would also give you much more an advantage to having that specific top voice match than others. Now that's basically what you guys need to know as of the general moment to have this top voice match. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.